Hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak about customer segments of the Neuralink. So Neuralink's customer segments are diverse and are expected to grow significantly as the technology develops. So AI present, the company's primary focus is on patients with the serious neurological and physical conditions. These individuals from the most important and immediate customer base because Neuralink's technology is designed to restore lost functions and improve quality of life. So the first major segment include people suffering from a paralysis. So especially those with spinal cord injuries, and many such patients lost the ability to move their hands or communications effectively. So Neuralink aims to help them interact with computers and smartphones or assistive robotics devices using only their thoughts. So this can give them greater independence in daily life, so such as sending message, controlling wheelchairs, or even working and remotely. So the another important group is patients with neurodegenerative disease and brain disorders, so such as memory related conditions or movement disorders. So for these individuals, Neuralink technology may help stabilize brain signals and supportive cognitive and also functioning. So in the future, this could lead to improved treatment and better disease management. So people with sensor disabilities, especially blindness, also from a key customer segment, Neuralink is researching way to transmit visual signals directly to the brain, potentially restoring a form of artificial vision. So this would be a revolutionary step in medical science and could change how visual impairment in treatment globally. So beyond individual patients, hospitals and healthcare institutions are major customers. So these organizations will be responsible for performing implant procedures, managing patient care, and integrating Neuralink systems into the treatment progress. So also doctors, neurosurgeons, and rehabilitation specialists, also from an indirect but crucial customer assistance or segments. So they will be trained to use Neuralink technology, interpret brain data, and guide patients through recovery and adoptions. Recovery. Also, these acceptance and expertise will play a major role in the success of the technology. So another growing segments include a research institution and universe. So these organizations may partner with Neuralink to conduct neuroscience research. So develop a new therapies to revolutionize applications of the neurologist and explore brain AI integration. Such collaborations help expand scientific knowledge while also increasing Neuralink credibility and innovation capacity. So additionally, technology companies and AI developers could become a strategic customer or partners. So they may integrate with Neuralink's interface and advanced digital ecosystems. So creating a new way for human to control smart environments, virtual reality system of the autonomous missions. So in conclusion, Neuralink customer segment begins with medical patients and healthcare providers. So but the long-term vision expands to researchers, institutions, technology partners, even eventually the general publics. Also, the wide and evolving customers basic reflects the company missions to not only treat neurological conditions but also transform the relationship between the human brain and the technology. So, thank you.
Explain the channel from customers. Neuralink use several channels to reach the customers. One of the main channels, hospitals and medical centers. This acts as the bridge and between company and patients. The company also celebrates with research organizations and universities. The partnerships help developing testing new application of the technology. Online platform and media also important channels. Neuralink shared update to domestic and program through videos, building public awareness and trust. Customer relationships are very important because this is a sensitive medical technology. Neuralink must maintain strong relation with patient by ensuring safety. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Nandini. Key activities of Neuralink. Neuralink key activities mainly revolve around research, development and testing. Since the company is working based on brain technology, continuous innovation is very important. One of the main activities is developing the brain chip also, what is important. This is requires insights in resource science, engineering and artificial intelligence. The company must ensure the device is safety, effective and reliable. Another important activity is in conducting clinical trials. Before using the technology on the large scale, it must be test on a human to ensure safety and performance. These trials are security, regular and task a lot of things. Neuralink also focused on software development. The brain chips must communicate with the computer, so brain chip affects software system in existence. Finally, the company works on the improving surgical methods. They are developing robot systems that can implement the chip safety and particularly in the brain. These activities are critical of bringing Neuralink vision.
Key resources. Neuralink depends on several important resources to operate successfully. One of the main resources is its advanced technology, especially the brain chip, the related software systems. Another key resources is its talented team. The company employs neuroscientists, engineers, doctors, and researchers who work together to develop and improve the technology. Financial resources are also very important. Neuralink requires a lot of funding for research, testing, and development. Strong financial backing allows the company to continue its long-term projects. Leadership is another crucial resource. The company is led by Elon Musk, who brings vision, innovation, and global attention to the project. Additionally, partnerships with hospitals, research labs, and regulatory bodies are valuable resources that help in testing and approval. All these resources together support Neuralink mission to revolutionize brain technology. Lastly, data and knowledge are very important resources. Every time Neuralink tests their device, they learn something new about how the brain works. This information is saved and used to make the software smarter and the chip safer. By collecting this special data, the company can solve problems that have never been solved before. This growing library of brain information is a huge advantage that helps Neuralink stay ahead of the companies and create better tools for patients in the future.